Water is the source of all things. It's the foundation of life. 山山如水, water conservancy and all things. However, the development of society, the progress of industry has brought pollution to the water source. The Earth is facing severe water environmental challenges. How to protect this blue planet? It's a problem we face as a species. It's him for the green waters and green mountains. Go further with 1,000 steps. It is his continuous technological innovation, with 10,000 explorations closer to science. It is his mission to lead the world. Based in China, committed to global. He is Hainan of Yuan Environmental Protection Technology Co., Ltd. Hainan of Yuan, it is the research and development of water treatment materials under Yuan Environment Group. The company was founded in 1980. It is a town-run enterprise, reorganized private joint stock enterprises. Company headquartered in China's water treatment materials industry cluster, Hainan Province, Zhengzhou City, Gongyi Industrial Demonstration Zone. The company has 6 major production bases, 8 manufacturing plants. Annual output of various types of water treatment materials 500,000 tons. After more than 40 years of innovative development, with a dream of global leadership, Hainan of Yuan it has long been leading enterprise in water treatment materials industry in our country. Let's walk into Hainan of Yuan, perceive the material charm. Poly Aluminium Chloride pack is an inorganic polymer coagulant. Has a keying structure, highly charged polymeric ring. Colors and particles in water. High degree of electrical neutralization and bridging. It can effectively remove toxic substances and heavy metal ions from water sources, matching organic polymer coagulant, polyacrylamide PAM. It is a general term for the copolymerization of acrylamide and monomers. Under the action of amide groups and hydrogen bonds, make polyacrylamide have good water solubility and very high chemical activity. Both can be used with other materials. It can make the water body settle quickly. Wide range of applicable water bodies can effectively remove turbidity in water called ammonia, nitrogen, total phosphorus, total nitrogen, and other harmful substances. Aluminum salt series products developed by Hainan of Yuan. Polyaluminum sulfate, basic aluminum chloride, polyaluminum ferric chloride. Iron salt series products. There are polymeric ferric sulfate, ferric trichloride, and aluminum ferric diacid. Biological carbon source series glucose sodium acetate composite carbon source. Special materials for biological strains. Fluoride remover, phosphorus remover, heavy metal catcher, etc. More than 30 kinds of related products. Achieve a one-stop shop for customers. Customized and systematic water treatment solutions. In Hainan of Yuan, these materials come to life. The company insists on strengthening the enterprise with talents, establish a database of middle and senior talent experts. They have the heart of a craftsman, use the best materials, lay the foundation for the innovative development of the times. Leading technology advantage, let Yuan master a number of core key technologies. The company owns more 50 patented technologies. Among them, there are 4 invention patents and participated in the formulation of a number of national standards. Always keep cutting-edge technology, highly integrated with the trends of the times. Establish the School of Environmental Science and Engineering of Tianjin University, Industry University Research Base, Jiangzhou Business School of Campus Practice Base. Long-term partnerships with a number of research institutions. It is in the field of domestic water treatment materials, the hidden champion of the market segment. Hainan of Yuan's honors include China Chemical Industry Association Inorganic Acid, Base Salt Think Tank Expert Unit, National High-Tech Enterprise, National Green and Low Carbon Development Demonstration Enterprise, National Science and Technology SMES, Hainan Technologically Advanced Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, Hainan Water Treatment Materials Factory Technology R&D Center. Innovative SMES in Hainan Province. President Unit of Tianjin University Ecological Alumni Association. The past certification is implemented by the integration of the two ISO 3 system certification, SGS testing and certification. Driven by the national dual carbon energy conservation and emission reduction overall goal, the company has industrial water collars in several drainage fields, create new growth drivers in the field of recycled water, helping water-intensive industries peak carbon dioxide emissions carbon neutrality, offer a new model of sustainable development. Over the years, Hainan Aluminium serves more than 20,000 customers, business map all over the world, and in Vietnam, Indonesia. We have offices in Malaysia and other places. Services include industrial, municipal, petroleum, papermaking, chemical power and other industries. Hainan Aluminium has been established since its establishment, has been dedicated to the world's leading supplier of water treatment materials. This goal is our responsibility in the field of water treatment, material manufacturing, and application sustain power. Combine our efforts at home and abroad, innovations and applications of various materials. Provide customers with targeted services, customized water treatment process solutions. By assisting industries and related enterprises, improving the existing production process to improve the environmental efficiency of enterprises, reduce the production cost of enterprises, reduce pollutant emissions, enabling companies to invest in environmental protection. It's generating real economic benefits, and that's what we're trying to do, is we're trying to break through this technology, business philosophy of creating value for customers. It's as to the fundamental difference between traditional environmentally friendly manufacturing enterprises. Walk the road. Keep walking. Hainan Aluminium. We are willing to explore the path of water treatment innovation with our customers, together with partners, to improve the living environment, protecting the beautiful earth, realizing the contribution of green water and green mountains to sustainable development. Have faith. Do something. One thing, one heart. Sure. Every drop of water you and I cleanse today will converge into the power of the sea. Let's walk hand in hand, chasing for the cause of human environmental protection. New materials, new dreams, new future, yeah.